Hey you guys, it's Miss Carter. I am just making this little video to say good luck to you guys on Tuesday, which is tomorrow. Don't forget your exams at 2 o'clock. So you want to sign in by like around 1:30. If you're anal, I would sign in sooner than that. And if you just look on my Google Classroom, just go to the Are You Ready announcement that I made, and you can look through everything there. But just make sure you have blue or black ink pens. I prefer you use pencil, 8.5 by 11-inch lined or unlined, but please make sure it's white paper. Make sure you take your pictures vertically. Also decide on whether you want to just use your phone entirely. If you have connectivity issues at home like we do, you may want to use your phone entirely, and please make sure that you've gone on my Google Classroom and done the demo video, okay, several times, just so you feel comfortable and it's not stressing you out. Okay, again, the other option is that you can upload it onto your Google Classroom, and then all you're going to have to do is take pictures with your phone and make sure you have the Google Drive app, I think it is, and then you can upload it that way and then send it that way. Listen, I'm going to warn you. They are saying that there are bound to be issues. I don't want you to freak out, but there's thousands of kids taking this exam at the same exact time you guys are all over the country. So there's bound to be issues. And as frustrating as that might seem, you do have a backup plan, and they are saying that. June 1st is a backup plan, so if there are any issues, don't lose hope. You'll just take it June 1st, okay? So hopefully that won't happen to you guys, but just in case. Reminder, you cannot use that app that I thought was a good bet. Mrs. Engel and I thought so. You can't use it, so don't use it. The other thing is, I'm trying to think of what else you might need to know. Just make sure that there's 2 questions. So after the first question, you have to upload the first question. You can't upload it at the end, at the very end, after you've done both questions. You can't do that. It's you do the first question, upload it. Then you do the second question, upload it. Okay? Also, please remember, cheat sheets are absolutely acceptable. So I put on Google Classroom just, a list of different formulas and things to know. That might be really wordy for you, but if you want to rewrite certain things that you feel that would be helpful for you from that file that I gave you, please feel free. Just make sure that you know exactly where everything is, so that way you can just scoot to it right away. Also, make sure that some of you were handing me your work, or you were emailing me your work, and you were taking up more than one page, which is perfectly acceptable. But I would definitely make sure that all your paper that you're going to use, just put your AP ID number at the top and your initials, and then you can start labeling it like page 1, page 2, and so on. Remember that if you, let's say you did the first question, and you hit submit and the picture's taking a little while to upload, they say that's totally fine. You can go on to the second question as long as you've hit submit and it's uploading. They say that's not a problem at all. All right. Also, listen, guys, they are saying, and I know that this is on my thing that Are You Ready file that I sent you, but I just want to reiterate and hear it in my voice that if you don't know how to do a question, fake it. In calculus, especially in AB, it's either going to be an integral or it's going to be a derivative. So if you see words like rate, if you see differentiate, if you see slope, those are all hints to take the derivative. If you see amount or you see area, those are all hints to take an integral. Please do me a favor and just put something down. There were a couple of you, when you emailed me those free response questions and you sent me like a little note like, I don't even know what I'm doing. Well, guess what? I'm going through your work and you do. I mean, are you making some mistakes? Yes, but You do know what you're doing. To some extent, you do. So you're better off putting it down than leaving it blank. And as I said to you, if you don't understand how to do a question, let's say like a part A, but you need that answer to do part B, make up an answer for part A and use it correctly in part B, and you'll receive full credit for part B. I mean, you are going to lose credit on part A, but by all means, just put it all out there. Okay, and it's going to be what it's going to be. You're just going to do the best that you can. And also, the other huge thing that they are really trying to drive home about is there is no way, even if you're a kid that could get a 5 on this exam, there's probably no way you're going to finish the exam in the allotted time. Okay, they're doing that on purpose. So, those of you that want to get a high grade, do not freak out if you do not finish the exam. They are expecting that to happen. From the best of the best, they are expecting that to happen. They purposely made it longer for various reasons. Okay, so like I said, you can still get a 3, 4, or 5 if you did not finish that exam. All right, lastly, after the exam is over, please be checking Google Classroom, because I'm going to put little announcements and things like that. Check your school emails, because I'm going to be writing you little things. I want to know how it went. I want to know how you did, how you think it was. Do you think it was hard? Do you think it was easy? Oh my gosh, it scarred me for life, whatever. But there are going to be some announcements up there, so check that out. And there is going to be a project for you to do. Don't freak out. It's going to be fun-ish after the AP exam. Okay, so just let's keep in touch. Regularly check Google Classroom. Regularly check your emails. Okay, so I know I'm getting long-winded, so I'm just going to stop. I wish you the very, very best of luck. I am so sorry that this is the way that your senior year had to end. I know it really sucks. And I miss you guys like crazy, even though sometimes you drive me crazy. I love each and every one of you. I really do. So just do the very best that you can tomorrow. And we will definitely be in touch before the end of the year. So this isn't goodbye. And so good luck, okay? If you have any questions, though, before the test, give me a buzz, okay? Just shoot me an email, and I will try to get back to you ASAP. Okay, good luck, guys.